No! Wait! Why is there blood on Mom's clothes? Why are we leaving this world after 7 months when it was good and working?
Charlie, you know?
No, I'm not taking a step towards that box until somebody tells me what is going on. This is my life, too.
I know. A version of your father found us. He came to the house, and I shot him.
He's dead?
Police came, okay? And we had to run.
We have to go.